You like a lonely man. Without me, you're not like everyone. That's he's why I choose you. You're the one who can make me happy.
Finally I'm all set for scuba diving. So they gave me this suit, the weight as well as the pedals. So now I shall be discovering the underwater. Frankly speaking, I was waiting too fast, but still let's see what happens, because I'm too much excited to show you guys what is there in the underwater. But in underwater I cannot shoot because of my camera, which is not waterproof at all. So I will put the photos that I am gonna click in the underwater. So I hope it will work. I really miss my SD cam over here. That's my fault because I just forgot to take it. Anyways, what happens? Boy is there who will be taking my video, and until or unless I'm just going down, and thereafter I will put the videos on. So that's why I think it will help. Frankly speaking, the weight is too much, and it is really uncomfortable for me to just walk like this. But still, anything for YouTube, anything for my friends, anything for my subscribers. So let's go. If you're going for a scuba dive, you need to have 3 to 4K in your pocket. I did it for 3.5K, but later when I asked another agency, they quoted me 3K. So on an average, 3 to 4K is the budget. Scuba is available in both Havelock and in Island, but my suggestion is to do it in Havelock for the Coral Islands underwater. You should carry an extra pair of dresses when you are going for a dive. You will also have to sign a health declaration form there. Doesn't matter if you are fat, unhealthy, hydrophobic. Scuba is fun and is totally safe, but it also depends upon the agency you choose. So don't think twice, just enjoy the scuba. The guy, Sharan bhai, who took me to the underwater, and the experience was awesome.
आ गया तुम आ गया अब
अरे भाई weight निकालो दादा. Wow, so nice.